Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Moa, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 2, Let me sum up. So in a previous session, my dear students, we have discussed that the prince who was sent into the gardener's helper for the gardener's helper. Now he was tying the bouquet and then afterwards sending to the princess, and princess loved so much. So one this prince, this golden lock, he tied his own hair, golden hair, and sent to the queen's daughter. And queen's daughter decided that I will not marry to anyone else except this person who sent me this golden lock, this golden hair. To that man only I will marry. I will not marry to anybody else. But the queen, the mother of this princess, she was not happy at all. She was thinking that why should my daughter marry to a poor man? So she was avoiding and she denied. She did not like. Now let us see further. Not long after Goldenlock's father, the king, became very ill. It was not very long time. Then after his father, Goldenlock's father, the king, he became very weak, very ill, and he was sick. And it was said that 2 drops of venom from the deadly tiger snake would cure him. And it was said that if they want to save his father, then his father should be given milk of poisonous milk. That means that milk will be given of the deadliest tiger snake. That milk should be given to him. That venom will be given to him. Then only his father can live. Okay, poisonous particles should be given to him. Dose should be given to them. We can say milk should be given to him, then only he can be saved. There was only one tiger snake known in the land, and there was one tiger snake was also there. And it was known, very famous, that one tiger snake is staying here into the forest area. It was the largest, and this snake was very large, largest, meanest, meanest in very available in very mean place. Okay, very mean place. Nearby it was available, and it was very deadliest, very dangerous snake it was. Snake anyone had ever seen. It was a snake that very dangerous, very poisonous. Nobody had seen like that. It was very dangerous snake was there. Goldenlocks heard for his father's illness, like that Goldenlock, because finally he was a son. So he heard that his father was sick, his father's illness. He heard of his father's illness and wanted to help his father, and he wanted to help his father. But what could he do? But what can he do? What could he do in this matter, in this way, in this matter? What possibly he could do? Most men were too scared to even try to milk the deadly snake. Many people, they were also afraid to go near to the snake and give milk and take milk. Very difficult. Then if it was difficult to take milk, give milk, then how they can take poison from this snake, venom from this snake? Even they were afraid, even they were scared to try to milk, to get milk, to give milk from this. Then how they will get this snake's poison? The few brave men who had tried all died terribly death. Few men also went there. Few men also tried, brave men who tried, because it was a matter of their king. So they tried to get venom, but they were died. But they died terribly, terribly they died. Goldenlocks did not know what to do. Now Goldenlock, his son, princess, was also in confusion what to do. But then he remembered the giant. But then he understood. Then he remembered the giant. He understood about giant. To whom his father caught. And once Golden Lock was playing with the golden ball, the golden ball went inside into the prison. And this giant told that if you want this golden ball, then you release me. Then only I will give this golden ball. And this giant was made free by this prince, Golden Lock. So he remembered about this giant. Golden Locks went to the giant so for help, because Golden Lock wanted help from this giant. So he went to giant for getting help and begged him, requested him, pleaded him to get the milk for him. He requested that giant that please bring milk, bring venom for my father from this very dangerous snake. Please bring. Then giant told, you would ask this for the father who banished you. Why? The giant asked to this prince, the Golden Lock, that you are pleading to me for the person who sent you away, who banished you from his kingdom, and you want to help him, you want to save his life. Why you want to help? Because this man sent you from the kingdom, sent you from the palace, and you want to help this man. Like that here the giant asked to Golden Lock. Now what the Golden Lock is replying, that we will see later on. Okay, so here we will stop for today's session. We will continue later on. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye.